What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, give us a big thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications on so you never miss a video. So today's vlog is actually just going to be a chill vlog again. We're actually in a state of emergency right now, so we are required to stay in the house. Nobody can go on the roads except like essential and for emergencies. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on the other side. So yeah, this is how it's looking. So far, I think we got like maybe 12 inches, and it's supposed to be like 24 inches or more. So yeah, it's really coming down. The roads aren't even plowed yet, so yeah, nobody can leave at all. Everything's shut except like obviously the hospital and stuff, but nothing's open, so we are required to stay in the house. So we just go.
So today is a perfect day to just do whatever you gotta do, work on whatever you gotta work on, just be productive. Just clean the whole room, vacuumed, like disinfected everything. So all that done, and now we actually gotta do one more thing, and we'll show you right now. All right, y'all. So today we decided we was gonna set up Lay's little sweet safari bounce around. So
you can get into
should be pretty simple, right?
It is, but yeah, it looks like it should pretty be easy. On the back, it shows like each piece of it.
Yeah, it has like a lot of functions, like different functions. So
yeah, I can't wait to see her in this, and then show it off.
Okay, hold on, let me see. It says it back here. It can rotate 360 degrees, 3 adjustable positions, unique bounce pad, spinning beads. Like, it just got so many different things she could just
enjoy.
Facts.
Okay. This was actually a lot harder than we thought. Not that it's hard, it's just like the way they have,
like whoever constructed this, like designed it, it was just like
you have to take this out, but yet it has like little out things to make it not come up. So it's like you gotta pop things off on. It's just a whole thing.
Like in every piece of equipment, they want you to use like all of your force, all of your might, and just
trying
like
my hardest, and I still couldn't do it.
You gotta use full strength to just
for a baby thing. Crazy.
I'm like, I thought this was for kids. Like,
alright, so now I put this in here.
Right, so the masterpiece is all complete. We about to
so this is
give
how
it a
it's
go.
Looking. So ready, Lay?
Let's see.
Oh, her feet do kind of touch. Yay!
Oh my gosh, Lay.
Lay, what is it?
Lay, look.
Dog out in a blizzard be like,
Nah, this is OD.
come on, Maya. Come on.
As you can see how deep that is. That's at least knee high.
So y'all, it came to the time where we have to go outside now and actually shovel and, you know, get all the snow off our cars before it turns to ice in the middle of the night. I think it's still snowing a little bit. It's definitely slowed down, but yeah, it is still gonna go till past midnight. But yeah, we're just gonna get a little head start and, you know, so ice isn't all over the car and on like the stairs and stuff. Alright guys, so before we go out and shovel, I'm actually gonna give Pat one of his Valentine's Day gifts early. You know, it's just a little one, so I don't really care. I always end up giving little gifts early, but it's okay because he's gonna be opening a lot of stuff on Valentine's Day anyways. So, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
This actually might be my first piece of Fashion Nova. Oh wow. I like that. It's like a track jacket.
So we outside shoveling now. This is a lot. Can't even see my feet right now. Look at this. Guys, this snow is literally crazy. Look how much snow. It's literally up to my thighs. But look how much snow is just in the back of the car. It doesn't even, the camera doesn't even do it justice right now. Like, this is the actual road. Oh my god, I have no gloves on. It's freezing. So I just made us hot chocolate. You know, got the whipped cream, got the creamy hot chocolate. So this one right here is mine, and this one's Pat's.
I hope
Taste
it's not.
test.
I hope I don't burn my tongue.
I don't think it should be that hot, but it's kind of filled.
Damn.
Alright, y'all, so I still got some of my hot chocolate left. He's still working on his over there. Just doing some work. Can't show you guys what's on the screen, but I got this nice candle lit. Stress relief, and it smells so good.
I'm not gonna lie, this is hard. It's a little like tracksuit. It's actually my first piece of Fashion Nova, so kinda excited. Alright y'all, so just a quick update. That tracksuit that y'all seen in the last clip was actually an early Valentine's Day gift from Adri. I finessed her into letting me open it early again, so you know what I'm saying? I'm happy about it.
Now just feeling late. It's about, I think, like a little after 10 now. So we just ended up on Blizzard Snowden Day. She's about to finish this bottle.
You think today was a productive day?
Yes, definitely. We honestly did. I feel like
we got a lot done today.
Like just to stay home day, just to like get so much stuff done, and we definitely did it.
Just to like charge up.
Right. We did so much. We did a lot of productive things, and it's still not over.
You know what I'm saying?
When
As
she
you
goes
can
to
see,
bed.
we're working right now, but
right, we're going back to work. So okay, yeah, we putting her to bed now. You know, we in a blizzard, so she need that hat. She got the mittens on to keep her hands warm.
nope. Never mind. I ain't gonna touch you then. My fault.
You good, man. Alright, so we just put Lay to bed. She's all set up. She should be sleeping right now. I'm actually gonna look at her on the Nana app. Let's see her. Yep. Look at her already. Knocked out already.
If you want a P5, add me Pat101. Feel me?
But yeah, we gonna end this vlog out here. Yeah, today was like we said, a productive day. We did so much, and I'm proud of us for doing everything that we wanted to do. You know, working, cleaning, we did things for Lay. We put that thing together for her. We ate good. But yeah, we did a lot. So now we about to just end the vlog here. I'm about to edit, we're about to do some more work, and then we're gonna call it a night. So yeah, we're gonna wrap up this vlog here. Do you have anything to say?
Nah, but if you just made it to this point of the video, we just thank you for watching. You know what I'm saying?
So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video that we have planned for you guys. Peace.